Hello, my name is Evan and I'm part of the customer success team here at Knowledge Anywhere. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating and editing an AI-generated assessment based on an existing document. Let's get started. Let's upload a document. Navigate to Manage Content in the header and select Documents. You can see on the right there's an AI Ready column. This will signify if your document is eligible to be used in the creation of the assessment. Click Add a Document and fill in the document title. Choose your file, which can be in formats like PDF, DocX, or JPEG, and click Save to upload. There's my document at the top of the list. On the Assessment tab, select Add Assessment and then Add Assessment from Existing Document. Configure the intro text and decide on the type of questions and the number of questions you want to generate. Select Generate AI Assessment and the process will begin. This can take a while, but you'll be notified once the assessment has been created. Edit questions and intro text to better refine the assessment, resulting in a better experience. And that's it. For further assistance, please contact our customer success team at support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you for watching.